And now the chopped up Halloween lights. Wish me luck.
Welcome to the Frugal Family. My name is Julie, and this week we are getting caught up with our dumpster salvage treasures.
So I am no electrical genius of any kind, but when I saw this in the dumpsters, I was like, let's give it a try. So I grabbed some electrical tape and some tools from my husband's tool drawer thing. I checked out all the places where the very studious, determined employees of the CVS, or was it Walgreens? No, it was CVS, of the CVS had chopped these cords. Oh God, they had really gone all the way with it, and I have to admire the tenacity, even with it being so incredibly frustrating. It is silly. It is silly and it is petty. Luckily, since I don't have great skills in the electrical department, I do have these lights from the dollar store. There are 10 orange lights, and I figured if I cannot fix this, which is a very good possibility, then I can at least replace either the lights or the spiders. Use these bulbs as replacement lights in the string I bought from the dollar store, or put the spiders on there. Have I ever used any of these tools? Well, short answer, no. No, I haven't. This was a first-time thing. I did the best I could. I read several tutorials online. I watched a couple of videos. I jumped in head first. There was some flailing, near drowning. I used some painter's tape to keep all the strands together at each end that I was splicing. Look, the reality is I tried really hard, okay? I tried. Boy, am I glad I had the dollar store lights for plan B, you know? Good old plan B with these fabulous spiders. And the spiders, they twist right off, which is really super handy. You just twist them off. If you needed to replace one of the actual light bulbs, you would just have to twist the spider off, replace the bulb, and put the spider back on. If your string of lights was not chopped all to hell, like mine. Frugal friends, I tried. What I didn't realize was I was not prepared. I mean, I was prepared, but I was not prepared. I tried plugging it in. There was a tiny little spark, a stinky smell, and that was when I realized that each of these wires, even though whatever, I don't care. It sounds stupid or not. I tried. At least I didn't burn down the house. Each of these wires has to be connected to its own matching wire, which I understand in when there's a red one and a white one or whatever, but these are all exactly the same. So to try and find which one is it, which one's its partner, oh my God. And then they have little writing on them, and I went through and looked. It wasn't enough to distinguish between them. No.
Oh my gosh. That is wild.
I tried. I put a lot of effort. I tried. But I did find out, and this is really handy, that these come off really easily. You just turn this thing. See this? They're meant to just pop on, pop off. I don't even have to break them off. So that's really cool. Check this out. They just turn and pop. Now what I don't know is if these clear bulbs, because they come out, can they be substituted into here? Because these are orange, and that's fine on the orange ones. But on the purple ones, what's that gonna do? I think what we'll do is we'll try putting them on. Obviously, these ones aren't gonna have the structure to catch these, so I probably still will have to glue them on with the E6000. That's fine, not a big deal. But I'm gonna test out the color. Maybe it'll be a spooky kind of a color. I don't know. Gonna test that out before I glue them. With a spooky movie playing, I jumped in and started turning and popping off all of the spiders. So there are 10 of them, 5 of each, which is really great because the dollar store lights, there's 10 of those. This will go in my metal scrap. And yes, the little bulbs are orange, but I'm gonna give it a chance anyway. Maybe it will make the purple ones look really cool, maybe like extra spooky, and the orange ones, hopefully it will make them look like, I don't know, really orange, really bright, really resplendent. We'll see. So, continuing to watch more fun, scary movies. I did realize that the bulbs can't be replaced by the bulbs from the lights that we got in the dumpster. That is unfortunate, but it's really not that big of a deal, and I didn't have high expectations for that. So let's go ahead and just put these spiders on. The little lights did not fill up the space, which is what I expected, but I do have my painter's tape, so we pop in some glue, some of the E6000. We'll have an Amazon link for that in the video description. Our Amazon link, guys, you can shop through there for anything that you would normally get with Amazon. It won't cost you any extra, and it will benefit the channel. So, some glue, some painter's tape. Guys, these are my old reliables when it comes to upcycling and repurposing and repairing. E6000 and painter's tape. The things you can do. Oh, the things you can do. So I squoze in, yes, it's a real word. I squoze in some E6000, put the light in there, kind of wiggled it around to get it a little bit set in place, then some painter's tape, and let them dry overnight. It was even the perfect amount. That is fantastic. It came with the exact amount of spiders as there were lights in this pack. I mean, that was meant to be. I've got these over here drying, but I did go and check in my battery supplies, and yay! I was prepared, part of my prepping process, which we are going to be getting back to that video series, so stay tuned. Lots of disasters going on. I mean, hurricanes, all this stuff, fires. We are getting back to that. I just have, I don't know, 900 other things going on, so please stay tuned. But anyway, this was part of our prepping, was getting these batteries, and yay! Would I call this like an emergency? No, but I do like to keep stocked on these, not just for emergencies, but also obviously for crafting, for projects, for household. For Halloween. Okay, these are still drying, and I will let them continue to dry. But we're gonna go ahead and open this up and put in the batteries and give this a test. So I love these like battery pack powered lights. What I don't like about them is that there's the little screw there. Can't they do a way where it just like clips and doesn't need this little screw? I mean, that would be nice. I'm sure some of those exist, but unfortunately, this is not one of those. So we'll take this teeny tiny little screw. This takes 2 batteries. I think that's, yeah. There we go. Okay, we will screw it back in, but first, okay, let's turn off my light. There we go. Oh no, look at this. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh my God, till tonight. Take off all the tape, get this set up. I'm gonna turn off the overhead light. Look at that. Whew. That's gorgeous. Now we are right in front of a window, so just wait. You'll see. Tonight, yes, yes, yes. This is fantastic. And the purple is a gorgeous color, even though the lights, the bulbs, are orange, which makes for super duper orange spiders and a gorgeous kind of pinky purple of the purples. Yes. I am so glad that we did this the way we did it. It sucked putting all that time and effort into trying to repair the original lights and whatever, but it's all good. It's all good because this is fantastic.